Imagine stepping into a world where financial stability is not just a dream, but a tangible reality, where the wealth secrets of the world's first billionaire, John D. Rockefeller, are not lost to history, but are waiting to be unlocked by you. Today, most billionaires follow a blueprint so effective, it has stood the test of time, and it all circles back to a principle once stated by Rockefeller himself. The most stable thing in the world is the ability to make money in the right form. It is unshakable. But how can you, an average employee or aspiring entrepreneur, tap into this age-old wisdom to transform your financial life? It may sound like a lofty dream, but the truth is more accessible than you think. In our latest video, we're not just teasing you with the promise of wealth, we're offering a roadmap to achieve it. Wealth and Focus is not just another finance channel. It's your gateway to a life of financial freedom. Our mission is to demystify the complexities of personal finance, making it simple and achievable for everyone, regardless of their starting point. We dive deep into the strategies that propelled Rockefeller to unparalleled wealth and how these principles can be adapted in today's economy to work in your favor. Whether you're struggling to save, looking for smart investment opportunities with minimal capital, or aiming to cultivate a wealth mindset, our content is tailored to guide you through. With practical advice on generating passive income and real-life examples to inspire, we're committed to helping you achieve financial success. But the journey doesn't end here. To truly understand how Rockefeller's strategies can revolutionize your finances, you need to see them in action. Our latest video doesn't just tell, it shows. From his humble beginnings to becoming the world's first dollar billionaire, Rockefeller's story is not just inspiring. It's a blueprint for financial mastery. So, why wait? Dive into the revolutionary money skills that could set you on the path to riches. Subscribe to Wealth and Focus now, and let us show you how the essence of financial success is not just for the chosen few. It's available to anyone willing to learn and apply these timeless strategies. Watch the video until the end and witness for yourself how the myth of unattainable wealth is finally shattered. Welcome to your financial transformation. In a world where wealth often seems like a fortress guarded by the few, the journey to financial greatness may appear as a distant dream to many. But did you know that the blueprint to amassing unthinkable wealth has been around for over a century? Yes. Nestled within the pages of history lies a secret pattern, a method followed by most billionaires today, echoing the timeless wisdom of John D. Rockefeller, who once said, "The most stable thing in the world is the ability to make money in the right form. It is unshakable." Imagine for a moment being able to earn any amount of money you desire. It may seem like a mere fantasy, a castle in the sky unreachable by the likes of most. But today, we stand on the threshold of myth and reality. Today we shatter the glass ceilings of financial limitations. If we journey back to the era of John D. Rockefeller and dissect how he molded his billion-dollar empire, we uncover some revolutionary money skills that can serve as a beacon for those yearning to navigate the tumultuous seas of wealth creation. Still skeptical? Then I invite you to stay with us. Watch this video until the end and witness for yourself the transformative power of Rockefeller's principles. Welcome to the main channel on finance, the vault of wisdom for those who dare to dream of riches. If you envision a future painted in the hues of prosperity, then subscribe right now. Join us as we embark on this enlightening journey, unraveling the legacy of John Rockefeller, the world's first dollar billionaire. Discover the skills that built an empire and could pave your path to wealth. Let's dive into the revolutionary money skills that have stood the test of time. Our journey into the world of unparalleled wealth begins in the humblest of settings. A young boy, merely 7 years of age, finds himself amidst the soil and sweat of a neighbor's farm. Here, amidst rows of potatoes and the gentle hum of farm life, John D. Rockefeller earns his first coin. It's a modest start, but within this simple act lies the seed of an empire. The path to greatness, however, demands more than just hard work. It requires vision, courage, and an unyielding will to seize opportunity. With a dream larger than life itself, Rockefeller embarks on a daring venture. He contributes $2,000 to the startup capital of his first business. Of this, $1,200, a sum not given lightly, was borrowed from his father. But it wasn't just the money that set Rockefeller on his path to becoming the world's first dollar billionaire. It was his meticulous attention to detail, a trait instilled in him by his mother. Under her guidance, Rockefeller made his first entry into a ledger, tracking every cent earned and spent. This ledger, an analog of the modern cash flow statement, became his constant companion throughout his life, a testament to the power of keeping a close watch on one's finances. In 1937, when Rockefeller's journey on this earth came to an end, his fortune was estimated at $1.4 billion. In today's terms, a staggering $318 billion. A figure that dwarfs even the wealth of today's billionaires, a testament to the enduring power of Rockefeller's vision and financial acumen. But how did a young man, starting with borrowed money and a simple job on a farm, ascend to such heights of financial success? It was more than just hard work. It was a pioneering spirit, a relentless pursuit of financial education, and a bold willingness to take calculated risks. As we peel back the layers of Rockefeller's early years, we uncover not just the story of a man, but the blueprint of an empire built on discipline, foresight, and an unwavering belief in the power of financial wisdom. In the annals of financial greatness, few principles shine as brightly as the twin beacons of financial literacy and discipline. For John D. Rockefeller, these were not merely concepts, but the very foundation upon which his empire was built. From the tender age of 7, Rockefeller understood something that many overlook, the profound power of keeping track of every penny. Rockefeller's journey into the world of numbers wasn't a matter of chance, it was a choice. Shunning the path laid out by conventional wisdom, he chose instead to immerse himself in the world of commerce and accounting. It was here, among ledgers and balance sheets, that Rockefeller honed the skills that would one day turn the tides of industry in his favor. In the bustling office of a fledgling accountant, young Rockefeller's talents did not go unnoticed. His predilection for numbers, for the intricate dance of debits and credits, set him apart. Where others saw tedium, Rockefeller saw opportunity. His starting salary, a modest sum, quickly grew as his skills became invaluable. It was here, in the meticulous examination of financial details, that the future billionaire laid the groundwork for his empire. But Rockefeller's financial acumen extended beyond the confines of his own burgeoning enterprises. He maintained his ledger with the zeal of a cleric safeguarding Holy Writ, documenting each transaction with unwavering precision. This ledger, an embodiment of his financial discipline, was more than a record. It was a roadmap to his future successes. Rockefeller's dedication to financial literacy illuminated his path like a torch in the dark. It was not merely about recording numbers, it was about understanding them, about discerning the story they told of past decisions and future possibilities. This deep comprehension of finances allowed him to make informed, strategic choices that propelled his businesses forward, transforming industries and setting new standards for success. Today, the principles that guided Rockefeller are more relevant than ever. In an age where financial literacy can unlock doors to personal and professional growth, his legacy serves as a powerful testament to the value of understanding and managing one's finances with precision and foresight. As we venture further into Rockefeller's story, let us carry with us the lessons of his early years. That discipline and knowledge, particularly in the realm of finances, are the bedrock upon which lasting success is built. For those aspiring to navigate the complexities of wealth, let Rockefeller's journey be both a map and a beacon, guiding the way to financial mastery and beyond. As we navigate from exploring the strategic depths of the power of borrowing wisely to the steadfast principle of meeting obligations, let's pause and reflect on the journey we're on together here at Wealth in Focus. This channel is your beacon in the complex world of personal finance, where clarity meets action and empowerment begins with a single step: subscribing. Published twice a week, our videos are meticulously crafted to arm you with a wealth mindset and practical strategies for building passive income, even on a budget. Whether you're an employee yearning for economic upliftment or someone navigating the seas of personal finance, Wealth in Focus is your lighthouse. Now, we'd love to hear from you. In the spirit of growth and community, tell us, what's one financial commitment you're determined to meet this year? Is it tackling debt, starting an investment, or perhaps creating an emergency fund. Share your goal in the comments below, and let's inspire each other towards financial success. In the grand tapestry of John D. Rockefeller's storied rise to wealth, one thread gleams with particular intensity: the strategic use of borrowed money. Far from viewing debt with trepidation, Rockefeller embraced it as a powerful ally, a means to amplify his ambitions and accelerate his journey to unprecedented success. To the uninitiated, borrowing may seem a perilous path, fraught with pitfalls and uncertainties. Yet Rockefeller, with his unerring vision and indomitable spirit, saw beyond the immediate horizon. Borrowing was not a burden but an opportunity, an instrument of growth to be wielded with precision and foresight. The initial capital for Rockefeller's maiden venture was a concoction of savings and strategic borrowing, with a significant portion, $1,200, loaned by his own father. This wasn't mere familial support. It was the first cornerstone of an empire, placed with the belief in the exponential power of wisely leveraged funds. Rockefeller's approach to borrowing was governed by an ironclad strategy. He understood that every dollar borrowed held the potential to forge the future of his empire, provided it was deployed with meticulous planning and unwavering discipline. His ventures into the oil industry and later into refining and transportation were bolstered by judiciously acquired loans, transforming the landscape of American commerce. But the journey was not without its trials. Each loan, each extension of trust by his creditors, was a testament to Rockefeller's reputation as a man of his word. He navigated the tightrope of financial obligations with the agility of a seasoned acrobat, ensuring that every borrowed penny was a step towards greater heights, not a descent into the abyss of insolvency. In the annals of financial mastery, John D. Rockefeller stands as a colossus, his legacy a beacon for those who seek to understand the true power of borrowing wisely. In his story, we find a clear message. Debt, when wielded with knowledge and caution, can be a formidable engine of growth, propelling us toward our loftiest goals. As we venture forward, let us carry with us the essence of Rockefeller's wisdom. Borrowing is not a path to be feared, but a tool to be mastered, a stairway leading to the pinnacles of success. In the grand pursuit of wealth, let the power of borrowing wisely light our way, guiding us to achieve our dreams with the same bold spirit that defined the legacy of John D. Rockefeller. Amid the towering achievements of John D. Rockefeller's career, one principle stands as a testament to his character and business acumen: the unwavering commitment to meeting his obligations. In the high-stakes arena of business, where fortunes are made and lost on the turn of a dime, Rockefeller's dedication to his word was as solid as the bedrock. Rockefeller's journey was paved not just with visionary ideas and bold investments, but with a steadfast ethic of responsibility. From the modest beginnings of his first venture to the sprawling empire he would eventually command, every step was marked by an unbreakable pledge to honor his commitments. The path was not without its trials. In the early days, when the scaffolding of his future empire was still being erected, Rockefeller faced moments of daunting financial pressure. Yet, even as the shadows of challenge loomed large, his resolve never wavered. One poignant instance stands as a beacon of his integrity: the day his father arrived demanding repayment of a loan at a most inopportune time. It was a test of character, one that Rockefeller passed with unwavering commitment. Rockefeller's scrupulous adherence to his financial obligations earned him a reputation of unparalleled reliability. In an era where a man's word was his bond, Rockefeller's name became synonymous with trust. Bankers and investors, who might otherwise guard their vaults with skeptical caution, would extend credit to Rockefeller on the strength of his reputation alone. This foundation of trust was not merely a personal virtue, but a strategic asset, one that facilitated the growth and expansion of Rockefeller's enterprises. In the competitive landscape of business, where opportunities and risks walk hand in hand, the ability to secure financing and negotiate favorable terms can be the difference between triumph and obscurity. As we reflect on the towering legacy of John D. Rockefeller, we are reminded that the principles of meeting one's obligations and maintaining a sterling financial reputation are as critical today as they were in his time. For entrepreneurs and business leaders charting their course in the tumultuous seas of the modern economy, Rockefeller's example shines as a guiding light, a reminder that integrity and responsibility are the bedrock upon which lasting success is built. In the pantheon of business titans, John D. Rockefeller stands as a colossus, not merely for his unparalleled wealth, but for his extraordinary knack for making calculated decisions and championing innovations. His story is a testament to the power of strategic foresight and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Rockefeller's vision extended far beyond the immediate horizon. He was a pioneer, a man who saw opportunity where others saw obstacles. It was he who revolutionized the oil industry, transitioning from the cumbersome transport of oil in wooden barrels to the efficiency of rail tankers, an innovation that not only slashed costs but also redefined the logistics of oil transportation. But his innovations weren't confined to transportation. In an era where refinery fires were commonplace, Rockefeller introduced stringent safety protocols, transforming perilous operations into models of industrial safety. These weren't mere improvements, they were transformative changes that saved lives and safeguarded fortunes. Rockefeller's acumen for calculated decisions shone brightly in his investments. When he realized the potential of integrating transportation into his oil empire, he didn't hesitate. Building railways and fleets, he not only secured his supply chains, but also exerted unprecedented control over the distribution of oil, setting the stage for the dominance of Standard Oil. At the heart of Rockefeller's strategy was a willingness to bear risk, but it was a risk always measured against potential reward. When partners hesitated, Rockefeller stepped forward, ready to invest alone, confident in the calculations that promised success. His ventures into iron mines and the creation of his own fleet underscored a strategy that was bold yet underpinned by meticulous planning. The legacy of John D. Rockefeller is not confined to the pages of history books. It lives on in the ethos of modern entrepreneurs who, inspired by his example, embrace calculated risks and innovate relentlessly. His story teaches us that true wealth is not just amassed through opportunity, but is forged through the crucible of strategic decision-making and the courage to innovate. As we navigate the complexities of the contemporary business landscape, let us draw inspiration from Rockefeller's playbook. Embracing calculated decisions and fostering innovation can propel us beyond the boundaries of what we believe is possible. In the spirit of Rockefeller, let us forge our path with confidence, strategic insight, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. As we close the chapter on the revolutionary money skills of John D. Rockefeller, we stand at the threshold of transforming our financial lives. Here at Wealth in Focus, your premier destination for all things personal finance, we are dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and strategies to forge your path to financial freedom. Whether you're an employee seeking to elevate your economic well-being or someone navigating the complexities of personal finance, you're in the right place. Our mission is to demystify the world of finance, making it clear, concise, and most importantly, actionable. From mastering the art of saving without compromising your quality of life, to navigating the avenues of investing, even with limited resources, Wealth in Focus is your ally. We are here to guide you through the principles of wealth building, inspired by the legacy of John D. Rockefeller and tailored for the modern era. Join us twice a week for a journey into the heart of personal finance. Embrace the mindset of wealth, learn practical strategies for generating passive income, and start building the financial life you deserve. Subscribe to Wealth in Focus now, and let's transform your financial destiny together.